Hey traders, Okana here. I'm going to find you some good setups for the week which you can use. So let's start with the CAD, which I was short with last week. So this support is on the daily here. You can see that used to be support here, it became resistance. And so we're gonna have to see if this repeats itself, if price goes back up again, or we're gonna have a continuation. So my plan here is to extend this line a little bit first here. So my plan is to short this asset again. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set my levels. So this is another level. We can see this huge bullish bounce here, also here and here. So what I'm gonna do, if price comes back up, if it breaks this level, I'm going to short this towards this level, and then I'm going to have to wait again and see if this is broken. Then I'm going to short it again towards the next support level, probably in this level here. So let's put the line there as well. So this is my plan, and then if this is broken, I'm going to go all the way to this trend line here, which is actually based on the weekly charts. You can see that. So price is in this channel here, as you can see. So there's a channel and each level. So but don't clutter your chart, so remove this for now. You want to have a messy chart, and this support is holding for now. So we're gonna have to see. That's the plan for shorting, as I showed you. And what about if it breaks up? Then if it breaks up, then you better not short this asset, because price is above the support. Then this could mean an uptrend. So you're gonna have to wait for breakouts. Maybe you can draw a trend line and see. So for now, we don't need to discuss a bullish market, because price is still below this strong support, still going sideways a little bit, could be breaking and continuing in either direction for that matter. So if it comes up, this is a target. It could reach this trend line. We could also draw a trend line based on the support here. You can see that this support got broken, so we could draw this. This is closer. So after this gets broken, we could be trading towards this other line. So that's how you will trade this asset. You just set up step by step targets and trade it. So that's USD CAD. Let's go to Aussie. If we go here and draw a nice downtrend line, if we connect at least 2 points, but this is actually 3 points. You got 1, 2, 3 touches on this line, and we can see that it made a good attempt of breaking up. It's still undecided as of which direction it's going. So this is the previous breakout retracement. So now the price is above. It's also above the support level. Even if we adjust it higher up, we can see that still price is above. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove these two lines. If we look at it on the 4-hour chart, still keeping above this level. So there was a resistance here in this area here, from here to here. So if you want to short this asset, you would have to wait for this level. So you would have to wait for price to come down, not only below this trend line, but also below this trend line to short it. So it's a better approach to be long with this asset. So what you can do is to draw a target line here first, a resistance line here first. You see price struggling here. So it's pretty much struggling in this area here. So you could set these two up, and that will show you how to trade. You either short it from this level, or you go long from this level up. So that was CAD and Aussie. Let's also look at USD JPY. Let's go with the weekly here. See a breakout. Let's go to daily. So we can see this downtrend. Actually a channel here. Price was in a channel, so the upper channel is broken, right? So we move down to the 4-hour charts, another channel, right? Could be hard to see for beginners, but another channel, and an uptrend here. So we could be drawing another upper line here. to see where we could be trading towards if price moves up. So this could be good. You should keep something similar like this. We could go all the way back, and you can see if price goes up, it could be reaching somewhere here, this line again. So what to do, how to trade this? Well, obviously this level is holding. If it comes below, if it closes below, then obviously it's better to short it. If it's holding, showing signs of bullish movement, then odds are it's moving up again. So we could be going long with this asset. So this is what we have here. So I'm going to remove the unnecessary lines right now, and if it moves up, I'm going to draw back this line here. Maybe I even adjust it to these two just to be on the safe side, more accurate, because this latest point gives us a target. So just draw a line like this, connect 2 points, could give you the next target. So that's USD/JPY. So now we have some plans here. So that's the idea. We have some plans on how to trade this. So these are higher time frames. Obviously you need patience, you have to wait. If you want more analysis, please join our Skype group, Community Traded Live. Just look for it on Skype or see the description of this video, and or just other videos where it explains the group. Also, we have a webinar next week. Let's see, it's on Wednesday. This week actually, sorry, on Wednesday 18th. I'll put the links below to the forum where I explained. Also put it in the description the time for the webinar, so tune in on Wednesday. And we're going to talk a little bit about how we can offer you better education. So we would love to hear from you, so tune in and help us. We want to hear your thoughts on how to make the best trading education. So that's pretty much it. I see you guys next time, or hopefully on Wednesday.